Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. Today I want you to experience what different body positions feel like. So please stand up and let's do these together. I invite you to do so because the body, the mind, and the emotions are all connected. And when you choose to stand or sit in different positions, you will feel different. We've already talked a little bit about confidence and power posing, and I want you to feel what it feels like. Put your feet shoulder width apart. Can't see where my feet are, but here they are. Shoulder width apart. Put your hands on your hips. Bring your shoulders down so that your chest raises. And I want you to stand here like this with your head up, chest up, shoulders down. When we're stressed, our shoulders come up. So put your shoulders down so that you signal to your body that it's safe to relax. Breathe in and out through your nose and expand and contract your belly. Don't breathe up in the top of your chest because that's what we do when we're in fight or flight. You're breathing in and out and allowing your belly to expand and contract. And now I'm going to have you close your eyes for 10 seconds. So just feel it. Close your eyes for 10 seconds. And feel what your body feels like. How did that feel? Now I want you to do the opposite. I want you to close your body, raise your shoulders up, put your head down, cross your arms in front of you. If you can, cross your legs. If you can't keep your balance that way, just put your feet together and look down, shoulders up, kind of hunched over, and hold that position. Close your eyes and hold that for 10 seconds and notice how you feel. How did that feel? People that are in grief or depressed, they will hunch over as if they're carrying the world on their shoulders. And you want the world to be off your shoulders. You want to be up and powerful and energetic. Did it feel different? I'm going to imagine that it did. When you prepare for anything, whether it is a presentation, a network event, or whatever, whether you're preparing for a sales meeting or anything or a date, stand in this high power position for a few minutes. This is a little bit aggressive for when you're in person, but avoid being all hunched over when you are in the meeting, when you're doing your presentation, when you are on your sales call. You prepare like so. And then when you go in, I want you to have an open but relaxed stance. Stand with your feet kind of together, but your weight is on one leg. Okay, your weight is on one leg. Your shoulders are down, your chest is up, and just stand there with your arms hanging down for a moment and notice how it feels. Our unconscious minds, the primitive brain, is always asking, am I safe? If you're standing in one of these high power positions, this is a relaxed high power position, your primitive brain says, wow, Monica must be feeling pretty confident because she's so confident that she's not protecting her vulnerable organs. You will feel stronger, you will feel more confident. If you're standing with your arms crossed in front of you, your unconscious mind, your primitive brain is saying, Monica, you must not be feeling very secure or very safe because you're protecting your vulnerable organs. If you stand in a high power position, if you stand in a confident stance, you will believe that you're confident and you will feel confident.